Alrighty guys, so we have the UDR today. I'm super excited to take this out. So I am going to be testing some parts that I made, and I put a onboard system, not onboard system, but like for the camera. So we are going to put you guys in there in a sec. Just the only thing that you need to do is take out the one screw so you can get access, but I kind of like the net loose like this. And also, I didn't show you guys last time, but the limiting straps were broken, so I 3D print some and these work perfectly. And then also last night I just soldered on some new connectors and I managed to put the IC5s. I didn't 3D print anything, I just did a lot of cutting, trimming, and I made it work. And we have this straight away. We are gonna go over there. There is some like little bumps and whoops, so we're gonna just rip it. I want to give it a quick run here. There's some little jumps right there, and let's see how it does in the rough terrain. All right, let's get this on. Oh, I didn't see that rock. Oh, I didn't see that rock too. Oh, the shocks is so... Oh. Oh. Roll over. Oh. Just like doing the work. Oh. Oh, that poor UDR. Really test the UDR suspension. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh, flipped over. suspension is working. Guys, I didn't get it, but we crashed. It's just these whoop sections are so perfect for it. It's so fun because you just see the rear suspension. Oh, we did break the arm. Look, I don't know when, but we did break him. Hey, but it still works. Look, watch. I want to record it again, but for the GoPro. Don't worry, guys. I am gonna put on slow-mo so you guys can see that suspension work. Look, you see all of these? Right here's perfect. Ready? Recording it. We did break the arm, what the heck? I just noticed that. Oh. We gotta go faster. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah. Oh. Oh, battery low. Low voltage, finally. Full day of fun, guys. This UDR did so good. If you guys like this video and you want to check out these parts, I'm gonna post them today. Then once you guys see this video live, they are gonna be available on my eBay shop, so I'll put the link down below if you guys want to get some. I do have some other parts for Creighton, X-Max, all kinds. Just check it out, guys. But this thing did absolutely good, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. The verse is 1 Corinthians 10:31 says, "So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God." Amen, guys. God bless you guys. Have a great day.